it's Monica and Maya over here. Okay, Maya, what are we making today?
Stuffed mini peppers.
Yes, we're gonna be making stuffed mini peppers today.
Stuffings.
Hang on, Maya, you're getting heavy.
Yes.
Ooh, oh my goodness, this is what happens when you have kids in the house. Just like, yeah, be careful. You're the one who left your mess over there. Anyway, yeah. Maya, okay.
I'm going.
Okay, I started the vlogging pretty late today, but anyway, this is what we need. I'm gonna need some mini peppers. They're actually pretty sweet. Some garlic, some chopped cheese, chopped like in cubes. Some salt, pepper, olive oil, and dried thyme. It's like, do you hear this? Do you hear this? I'm talking and you're talking. No, I told you I'm gonna have to buy you a different one, remember? Okay.
Wow, what's in it?
And then I'm going to take out the seeds.
Ooh. Seeds in it. This is what the yolk's like.
You're so cute.
That's what it looks like. Let's see that one. Let's see. That's what it looks like, guys.
That's what it looks like, guys.
That's what the paper looks like.
I'll take this out. Yeah, good job, Maya.
I like how my mommy would take out seeds.
Yes.
Wow. Amazing. It's still stuck. It's still stuck.
Okay.
Someone.
So now that is done, I'm just gonna set this aside and then I'm gonna move on to the garlic.
Ooh, this is so.
Okay, so now we have the cheese. Now we're gonna add in the thyme. Maya, you wanna add in the dried thyme? Okay, and then add some pepper.
Oh, it's already come out.
Okay. Okay, here. Okay. And then you want to add in some salt.
On my hand, Mommy.
Okay.
It tickles.
Tickles, okay. Hang on. Just not all of it. Just little by little. Okay. All right. Okay, and then I'm gonna add in the garlic. Okay. And then we're gonna add in the olive oil. About 2 tablespoons. Maya, what are you doing eating the salt? Do you see this? Oh my goodness. Don't do that. And then just mix it all together, and this is gonna be our stuffing. And then while I'm doing this, I'm gonna preheat the oven for 400 degrees. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's check this out. Ooh, looking good. Look at that. Yum. Perfect appetizer. All right. I'm just gonna let it cool down for a few minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go try some. It's so good. It's really good, guys. Okay, let's bring this up. Get Terry to try. Hopefully you guys don't hear me chewing. Excuse me, why do you have a yoga mat? Are you going to yoga?
She went to yoga.
Here, Dad, try. Dun 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 dun.
Yuck! Oh my god, gross!
Oh my god, I hate you so much right now.
Just kidding.
How did they know you're kidding though? They don't know you.
It's good.
You're so bad.
No, it's really good.
I'm gonna stop offering you stuff. Here, hold it.
Stop yapping.
Dad.
Stop yapping, Dad.
See?
No one is making
Okay, come on. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel so you get a notification each time we post a new video up. And then now I'm going to make supper, like supper. I think what are we gonna have? We're gonna have taco salad today. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks. Thanks. Thanks for helping us.